Hello viewer, if you face Messenger logout problem, let's see how to fix Messenger logout problem or Messenger down problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on Messenger app. Click on I button. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Now clear cache data from the lower corner. Now go back and follow the most important part. Open App Store or Google Play Store. Now search Messenger app. Go to Messenger. From here, update your Messenger app. After complete the update process, follow the most important part, and if you don't follow this part, the Messenger logout problem cannot fix. So go back and follow the next step. Open your Facebook app. Now go to your menu icon from the left top corner. Now scroll down. Now click on Help and Support. Now click on Report a Problem. Now click on Report Problem. Now tap on Don't Include. Now select Messages. Now in the report box, briefly explain, "Hi Facebook support team, my Facebook Messenger automatically log out. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Then send your report to the Facebook support team. After send your report, hopefully Facebook support team fix your Messenger logout problem. So please wait few hours and then try.